Hello, this is Kenny the Handyman here with another helpful tip, this time on how to professionally clean your windows. Basically, it all revolves around this squeegee tool here. It's actually a double-sided tool here with a squeegee on one end, and you can flip around and wash the windows with this rag type of spongy. And so anyways, you just use that, and you use some solution such as the squeegee off solution, just so you don't get streaks on your windows. And all we're going to do is take the tool, start from the top up, and use the rag thing and pull it straight down over the whole window. And then after we've gotten all the dirt off on the pad, flip your tool around so that your squeegee is against the window. Start from the top down and just pull that water straight down off the window. Makes the window sparkling clean. And start here. Let it pass, overlap slightly. And there you have it. Super easy to do this large window. I remember in the past I used to use a whole roll of paper towel and some glass cleaner to clean my windows. This is much more efficient. Now, if you'd also like to do something such as a circular window, like we have here, this is a little bit tricky because, you're going to start from the top and wash everything, but the problem is you've got a curved window, so it's hard to make a good contact with the squeegee. So you can see the ends aren't contacting it. So I just use the vertical up and down motions to squeegee this with the parts that I can't reach. And then once you get about eye level and you can reach it, you want to make it go perpendicular with the window, and then just pull it this way. This way you can make a full contact with your curved surface. So that's all there is to it. Just start out vertical and then go horizontal so you can do your complete contact with the squeegee. That's all the trick is for curved windows.